2025 Ford Shelby GT350 is the latest evolution of Ford performance engineering, blending heritage muscle car DNA with modern-day track capability. At its core lies a hand-built 5.2-liter V8 engine, known as the Voodoo V8. This high-revving, flat-plane crank motor delivers over 525 horsepower and around 430 pound-feet of torque. Unlike most American V8s, this one screams past 8,000 RPM, giving it a distinctive sound and an explosive power band. The engine is paired with a precise 6-speed Tremec manual transmission. Ford has chosen to keep it analog, allowing drivers to feel every gear shift and maintain full control of the car's dynamics. Power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels, keeping true to its muscle car roots. Launch control and electronic line lock are integrated for drag strip fun and performance consistency. The suspension system features Ford's Magneride adaptive dampers, which continuously adjust to road conditions or driver input. This allows for sharp handling during cornering without sacrificing daily comfort. The GT350 comes with Brembo brakes, 6-piston front and 4-piston rear calipers, clamping down on massive rotors for extreme stopping power under all conditions. Lightweight materials are used throughout, including an aluminum hood and fenders, a carbon composite grille, and a specially tuned exhaust system that roars under acceleration. The exterior design has been updated slightly for 2025, with more aggressive front and rear aero components. A newly shaped front splitter and functional rear diffuser enhance airflow and stability. The optional carbon fiber rear wing improves downforce at high speed. Wide 19-inch forged aluminum wheels are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, offering incredible grip on both the street and the track. Signature Cobra badging remains throughout the body, reminding you this isn't just any Mustang. Inside, the GT350 is focused yet refined. Recaro sport seats provide high bolstering and support for spirited driving. Materials like Alcantara and brushed aluminum add to the performance feel, while the flat-bottom steering wheel ensures quick, confident inputs. The 12-inch fully digital gauge cluster offers customizable views, including lap timers and G-force meters. Ford's Sync 5 infotainment system is integrated seamlessly with track-focused apps, allowing drivers to review lap data, monitor tire pressures, and record performance stats in real time. Each GT350 is built in limited numbers, and each car receives a unique chassis number badge inside the cabin. Ford also offers optional packages, including a carbon track pack with exposed carbon fiber wheels, rear seat delete, and adjustable camber plates. The exhaust note remains one of the best in the performance car world: raw, metallic, and unmistakably Shelby. The 2025 GT350 doesn't chase trends. It doubles down on the formula that made the Shelby name legendary. Raw power, no-nonsense design, and a direct connection between the car and the driver. It's not just a car, it's an experience.